Testing 1 2 3 4 5 6. Testing. 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 Again, testing. No echo, please. Testing. Again, testing. No echo, please. Alright. Shit, people pouring in. Good. Alright, where have I not posted it yet? Alright. Shit, already 30 people here. Shit, fucking hell. Alright. Holy shit, you're already fucking spamming me. Alright, share this, let everyone know I'm streaming, let your mother know, let your father know, let your boyfriend know. I am not taking charting requests, I chart what I fucking want. Hello Solomon, hello Kat. So today we will be charting the whole of Binance again, and it's because I want you to use my fucking ref link. Yeah boy. So let's start off with well, this is not gonna be alphabetical, so good luck, timestamp person. I have no idea why this list is not alphabetical, and I won't be bothered to fix it, so enjoy. So let's start off with the Big Daddy, Ethereum. Where's, okay, so this is the brush. So as you can see, TradingView finally added fucking Binance. Ethereum just broke out from the daily cloud, so we are bullish. Sorry. If I go to Ethereum, come on. This is why I don't want to use Coinigy. They are slow, they can't keep up with the infrastructure updates, unfortunately. So if we delete all of this, so let's look at Ethereum historically. We had similar shit happening here, similar shit happening here, maybe here. So 3 out of 4 times this works out perfectly, and it ensues in a 10x against Bitcoin. Alright, so we will see where we are headed this time. Okay, so can you do the stream in like 30 minutes? Dude, it'll be recorded, no worries, you'll be able to watch it whenever. You should stream on Twitch But it's not video games. So let's go with Litecoin. Cloud's not helpful, so we'll skip it. And for the rest of the coins on Binance, we should switch to 6 hours. 6 hours add. So this is the time frame that I prefer on Binance. It's because most coins don't have enough history for daily cloud charts, and you get your entries quite swiftly. So very convenient. So as you can see, worked out over here. Did not work out so well here, and neither here, but over here it's fucking rolling, right? So so far it's 50-50. And what your so this is Binance coin, right? So if you like Binance, if you want to pay less fees for trading, you should turn on paying for fees with Binance and buy a small bag, right? So right now it looks like we're trending up. We did have this symmetric triangle type of thing going on, which broke down. So our expectations right now are something like this, maybe, if we're bullish on Binance coin. I need to change the color of this thing. So what are we charting, Mr. Ambroid? We are charting Binance because you should use my ref link. Next, Neo is bullish as fuck. So if we go to daily on Neo, we just broke out. Looks exactly like Ethereum, if you remember. Looks very similar to Ethereum. Let's go to it again. Look, same fucking shit, right? Only difference, this is not painted green yet. So it will do so in like 2 days or something. So very similar setup to Neo, probably similar upside. I can't really guess. I'm in both Neo and Ethereum. In fact, I bought more Ethereum today on this cloud breakout. So Bitcoin Cash is just a fucking piece of shit pump and dump, and how I chart it is shit. I do a rectangle like this over here, and a rectangle like this over here, and guess what? This is our famous buy zone and sell zone. Alright, so you fucking buy it here and sell it over here, and you just flip it forever, probably, most likely, I don't know, maybe. So that's Bitcoin Cash for me. It's just a pump and dump coin for Bitmain and Ver. Did you enter Neo on the first close in the cloud? Yes, I entered Neo. Brush. I entered Neo over here. Okay, because there was a double bottom over here, which I've missed. So if we go closer, let's go to 6 hours and watch it. So there was a, okay, this is a shitty color. Let's make it green and thick. No, this is not nice. Make it like this. So that's one bottom, two bottom, alright? And you draw a horizontal. How fucking thin is this? and let's make it black because our souls are dark. So we had a breakout from this double bottom, then a throwback. We meandered over here for a while. If you look, it also coincides with the 6-hour cloud resistance, which we then broke through, and it looks like this on daily. So a very nice entry. I missed it. It doesn't really matter that much, so we ran into the daily cloud resistance, then we pushed through that. Neo breaking triple digits in dollars right now. Oh fucking hell, nice. Are you a millionaire? I'm a millionaire in Mint, and that's why you should buy Mint. So gas on the daily is running into cloud resistance. Why didn't it do the brush thing? Okay, so cloud resistance right over here, clearly. And let's go to 6 hours to check. So we had a nice look. It looks the same. It looks the fucking same. I mean, it's not that surprising, I guess, because it's Neo gas, but double bottom, breakout, throwback, even a cute little double bottom over here if you look closely. Then we ride this cloud, we tested a support, and we keep going up. Okay, so very interesting how closely we're following cloud right now. So HSR, I don't even know what the fuck this is, but we are inside the cloud, which is a shame really. Can we draw something here? It's like a shitty little channel flag type of thing, but it's been going for a bit too long. Let's see on the daily. Right, so cloud resistance. So this is the emergence of the cloud. This is the first portion being created slowly, and it's acting as resistance on the daily. What about ADA and IOTA? I will chart them if they are on Binance. I'm charting Binance. Go to Ambroid, buy card. What are the inputs that you use for the cloud? Okay, let's go through that because I'll be using cloud this whole stream. So, what? Okay, so this is the cloud. So I use, so this is the cloud settings, right? So, 10 days, 30 days, 90 days, 30 days. I don't use the lagging span. I have it turned off. Okay. And the rest of these things are on the slightest, so they don't poke my eyes every time I look at the chart. So why these settings? Usually you see Twitter traders use 20, 60, 120, 30, and I use these faster settings because I enjoy being in a trade 2 days sooner than they are, and being out of a trade 2 days sooner than they are. I just love dumping on other people, so that's why these settings. QSP we will probably get to. Let me repeat it again, don't fucking request coins. If it's on Binance, we'll try and chart it. This stream will have two possible endings. Either we finish Binance or I fall dead. So Monaco, let's go to daily. This is unclear, so this is very unclear. Let's go to daily instead. On the daily we have finally penetrated back into cloud, but there's an older market, so let's use that. Come on, baby. This is not good advertisement for energy. I mean, I love the guys, but it's just been dying on me these past weeks, and it's so bad I can go on a fucking minute-long rant just because it's so slow. So older market doesn't really say that much different. So let's look at the volume. So we've got a moving average of like 1 million Monaco being traded per day, but it looks like a lot of volume switched over to Binance. So this is a question, right? This looks like, kind of looks like so 1 million. No, so this is like 500k volume with the moving average slowly going down, whereas here it's growing. So it looks like the volume has kinda moved over to Binance, which is why you should try and chart the coin over here. The exchange with the most volume is the one you should be looking at, because that's most likely the one that's leading, and the markets with lower volume are following, and I would go as far as saying that there are good arbitrage opportunities, but not good charting source. So yeah, entering daily cloud, very tight candles over here. If you look, this is very interesting. This is a very tight range of price to be in for such large volume, right? So this is probably a good entry right over here, just because it's gonna blow up in a direction soon. So what I would do is enter a long trade, put your stop below these wicks. What the fuck? So enter long trade means buy the fucking coin, right? And this is the first resistance, right? So and this is the, where's the second resistance? So this zone over here on this wick can't be even seen here. So that's like 150. So around 150. So this is your target over here, somewhere in this zone. So this is like the top of the cloud resistance, the horizontal resistance, or this is gonna be like a pop, one-time pop, then we retrace and we go up, right? So something like this, or we dump and you're stopped out, right? But this is a good risk reward. So what I would do is buy over here, buy a lot, and this is what 50% profit around there. So I would dump like 3/4 over here and keep the rest and let it just run. Right, so a quick flip to get a free bag and then let that run. Everything on Binance is fake volume, no exceptions. Yes. I know, we'll get into that. What do you think the I don't even know, these are long ass fucking questions, I won't bother. Walton, I think this is Walton. Have you seen these fucking where the fuck is it? Have you seen how fucking photoshopped their fucking heads are? Let me find their web. Walton chain team, there we go. I mean, look at these fuckers. Look at his head. It's completely fucking different color. Look. It's completely different from his body. Look at this guy. He doesn't even fit on the fucking thing. Look at him. His head is fucking giant compared to this body. Completely different colors. I mean, don't tell me these people only tan their faces. Oh god. Look at this. Absolutely different. And all their arms have to be crossed. They have to establish dominance. Oh god. So let's go to the daily. TA standpoint says cloud is resistance, heavy resistance right now. Yeah, I wouldn't touch it right now. Wait for it to really safely close inside the cloud or something. There's gonna be a bunch of resistance like over here, so I would stay away for now. Loop ring, very nice. Very nice in the 6 hours. Look at this cloud breakout. Testing it as support several times and just trending up, right? So this is trending up. I think there's a pattern over here, a small one. So this is like this. It's not precise, but who cares? This is like a broadening wedge. So if this breaks to the upside, you are looking for, so if it does, so this is what you do, and this is how you measure the move. So from the bottom to the top, and you add it, and that's your pattern target, and you look for the breakout from this trend line. But right now it just looks like it's trending up. It's got essentially no resistance ahead of it. It just tested this previous all-time highs wicks as support, so I think it's just gonna go up. No cloud resistance either, too young for that. Looks good. I have to pee, can you pause for 5 minutes? You don't have a piss bottle ready. Are you fucking serious? This is an Ambroid stream. We don't do breaks. Quantum, I don't even know the name of this one. But look how nicely the cloud was acting resistance. This was like the first glimpse of life. And then we really went crazy. What the fuck is this wick? This is gonna be fucked on the day, yeah. So this is a mess, but it's trending up. But what the fuck is this? Yeah, this is trending up as well. It's testing this previous all-time high support. I don't know what these wicks fucking mean though. It fucks up the indicator. Not really chartable with cloud, unfortunately. Okay, I'll just let it go. Yeah, just let it go. You can just wash it later or something. You can mop it up or whatever. I don't care. It's your fucking floor. So yo. It's a mess on the 6-hour cloud, but overall, I mean, look at this fucking volume. Look at it. It's just Binance just doesn't give a fuck. They sometimes turn on the volumizers and then they turn them off. Can we see it preview? Yeah. This is fun. Look how steadily the volume has been growing. Just ramping up the volumizer slowly. So this is eerily regular, right? Doesn't look natural as far as volume goes. I kind of will skip the volume on Binance on most coins because it doesn't make sense. They are going in through Chinese fashion of faking all the volume they can get away with. So this looks like resistance. We've never closed above 2,700. So if we do tonight, I'm fairly bullish. This has got like a lot of action going on. This is probably for some traders who like to play flips a lot, this is a lovely chart. You could probably go like very low and play around with these little pumps, you know, if that's what you enjoy. I don't, so I would just avoid this coin personally. Could you do RAQ? I'm doing Binance, mate, so if it's on Binance, I'll do it. I don't remember all the coins there yet. I'm working up to it. So Omisco looks very good. Very, very good. So it had like a nice little consolidation here. And on the 6-hour cloud, look, this is the same shit again, just a deeper throwback, right? So cute little double bottom, and I think I entered over here on this cloud support. So this was like after the Christmas. Yeah, that's when I bought a lot of coins. Shit, so looks like a bunch of horizontal resistance here. So someone is dumping on us over here. I think we've got older markets. Yeah, we do. So right over here, right? So this zone over here. like this kind of. So this is not precise, right? If you look, let me make it a rectangle. So this zone over here, there's a lot of wicks, right? The price doesn't stay here for long. So what happens is, when we finally break out, we'll just zoom past it, and it's gonna probably do something like, let me go, like ram its head up into it until these people don't have any more OMG to sell, and that's when we just keep going like this, right? So that's my OMG expectation. Maybe some resistance over here. Do I have with VPVR? But doesn't really help me on fucking Binance, right? Never mind. So, but log, yeah, like now more. Binance website down, is it? Binance.bz. Shit! Oh, god damn it. Are they fucking serious? Right now, are so many people trying to use my reflink that the web is down or something? Please calm down, people. Check the fundamentals. I have no idea what this coin does, but it's got a nice chart, so that's all I need in life. Binance tweet or something. Shit. Binance. System upgrade notice. Alright, so they're down because they're doing something to their shit. What is your opinion on Electronium? It's overpriced as shit probably, because I hear a lot about it and it's not positive, so there's a trend line here, I think. Let's run magnet. Yeah, there is one. Fucking, let me do it. Sure, kinda, yeah. Let's, yeah, this is nice. So, what I saw on 0x, or whatever the fucking name is this channel over here. Okay, so we broke out from it, we got thrown back, and then I'm thinking, shit, I'll go over here, yeah, over here. So I'm thinking, we broke out, and I want to buy here on a throwback to this support, but we never thrown back, so I had to market buy over here, and I'm happy with that decision. So sometimes patience doesn't work and you have to market buy, and right now we're at the resistance from the Poloniex ad. Okay, So clear resistance here. It's not visible on Binance, but it's visible here. But ETN will probably go up, man. I don't know. I haven't researched it. I'm just saying what I heard. If it works out for you, I'm happy for you. I might look into it a bit more, but yeah. So Stratus, let's go to daily, and let's go to a different exchange, because this one doesn't really have enough history. Betrex, the oldest market. And it looks nice. It looks like it's broken out of cloud. It's going slowly. It's a big coin. There were a bunch of supports that we stopped on, and now we are looking at this resistance zone over here. Yep. So we'll push through it probably in a bit. But there's a lot of overhead resistance here, I think, because this is not too long ago, the stop over here. So people haven't blood enough, I think, but I guess there's enough new blood coming in to repair the damage so fast. Singles cloud resistance on the daily, first thing I have noticed. Like, so I think you can see it, it's pretty clear. So let's go to 6 hours. On the 6 hours, another double bottom with a throwback, cloud breakout, fairly far away from the cloud, but still support. Tested it once. It's bullish, but it's going up slowly, which means that it's still not too late to get in then. So this should be resistant, yeah. Even if we go like this, there's a bunch of overhead resistance here. This has got a lot of shit to get through. This slowly bled down. So bullish, but it'll take a while. Probably it's not gonna be the fastest bull run ever. BQX, what the hell is that? But some nice cloud entries. Like, we closed inside the cloud, then we wanted the resistance play, and cloud support gave us a nice entry, and ever since we're just trending up, a really steep trend. I mean, look at this volume, it's just so steady. It looks the same every fucking day almost, and then it's just turned off suddenly. It's so fucking fake. Anyways, no resistance in sight. This could go on for a while, and who knows how long, you know. This is very steep though. And this does major corrections. How deep is this? So this is a minus 40%. It's a quite deep correction, isn't it? By fake, do you mean false data from the exchange? No, by fake I mean that the um, volume is real, but it's created by volumizer bots trading with each other to inflate the volume so it looks bigger than it is in reality, so that the exchange is more interesting, so to say. It's typical for Chinese exchanges. So KNC inside the daily cloud, resistance break-in, testing it as support, trending up on 6 hours. Beautiful cloud entry, and it's just going up. I am in KNC myself, so this is the next resistance, and this is the resistance after it. And we should test this one as support. Yeah, we kinda did. Okay, so looks fairly fine. It's gonna bump its head into this resistance a few times maybe, but otherwise it's bullish. It's got very good fundamentals. Funfair, solid cloud entry, and it's just been pumping ever since. Also on the daily, a bit slower, I think, around 300, around 250, so very good. Would have been faked out a few times, yeah, so this would be a resistance, right? So since a bunch of people got faked out over here several times, it should be resistance, right? So we ran our heads into it once, twice, then broke through, then tested it, and tested it again before going up. But these wicks, I personally don't like these fast, strong movements that retrace a lot, so I avoid coins like these. It's just personal preference. So Sonam, okay. Looks fine. Looks like it's testing cloud a bunch of times. Is there a trend line? There kinda is. It's not respected as much as you would like it to, but it's there. Not over here now. So it's trending up. It's struggling with something. Probably these peaks over here. It's gonna be some ICO level, most likely. Like ICO was for Sonam. I think the ICO was shit. Sonam ICO price. Come on. That doesn't fucking help me. Ambroid, do you smoke the ganja? Occasionally. But don't tell my mom. So 7x from ICO. The ICO price was supposedly 414 or something. So 7x from ICO is resistance for some reason. 10x is as well. Get Brave browser. I might. Yota. Maybe something with longer history, please. Yota. Shit. Is it like the only market or something? It can't be. Yota. So maybe like this instead? No. Bitfinex. Don't fuck with me. Come on, people. Why do you make shit up like this? So, from a TA standpoint, price compression, volume compression as well. So, let's turn on Bollinger Bands. Right, so slowly falling in size. So this looks like it's being compressed, and you wait for the direction of the breakout to trade it. If we break down this trend line, you fucking toss it, get the fuck out, okay? If we break out, you get in, because it's gonna make new all-time highs. Send unknown amount of XRP of XMR, or I tell your mom you smoke drugs. She wouldn't mind, honestly. She's nice. So chain link. Looks good. Looks like it's trending up. Probably a trend line over here, somewhere hidden. Yeah, looks good. Can I make it with magnets as well? Or did I just make shit up? No, looks alright, I guess. Yeah, it looks good. Inside the daily cloud, so if we check it again, inside the daily cloud, tested Tenkan and Kijun as support, it's trending up. Cloud breakout, bullish ever since. Not much else to say, I guess. Maybe just to mention that this was a curve magnet, resistance over here. Look, again, it's these wicks, so not gonna spend a lot of time here. And this is gonna be the next one. Okay, so trending up, until proven otherwise. Have you checked right blocks yet? No, and I'm not gonna. So Verge, the crowd favorites. Way too fucking fast for Cloud to catch, I guess. The tracks, oldest market. Alright, so let's look at the cloud, right? It's old ass fucking history. So cloud fake out, okay? Cloud breakout, very good entry. Into a cloud fake out. Into cloud breakout with very, very good entry, right? So what happened next? Cloud fake out with the cloud breakout with a very good entry. So this market cycle is kind of this. It's not the same really. It lacks this long ass accumulation, and honestly, this chart is irreparable mess, and I would avoid it just because, as I said again, I avoid these fast movers. But we're below 6-hour cloud. We are turning bearish. That's what I would say. This is already beyond my wildest expectations from Verge, so I have a bearish bias. It's got a lot of bad news lately as well, so that's not helping it either. Honestly, I would avoid it just because of the fact that it's gone from 1 Satoshi in January 2017 to fucking 2000 sats in December. So that's 2000 times X in I guess Bitcoin, which did a massive amount of it's unthinkable that it stays stable up here, at least to me. But as I said, I have bias, right? So don't listen to me. CTR, I have no idea what this is. A nice cloud break-in on the daily, and no idea where the next resistance is beyond this zone. So we are in resistance right now, is what I would say. There we go. So this consolidation zone was consolidation zone. Cloud acting support, nice re-entry over here. I would only buy this right now if it made a new all-time high, because then you get like the price discovery again. Until then, I would be on the sidelines. Salt. This is a popular coin as well. Doesn't it have a bunch of fraud as well? Let's learn the magnet again. Yep. So sitting around the trend line. Very curious what will happen. So this is like on the watch list right now because it's in a bunch of profit for the ICO holders. I think the ICO was like 20 cents and right now it's way above that, and they've got like this fucking guarantee that it's gonna go up to $25. So that always sounds kind of shady. We'll see what happens with it, but I'm not in Salt. I'm probably not gonna be. But this is definitely time to watch your investment if you are in it, and I would probably bail if it went below the cloud. What was the conclusion of Verge? The conclusion was that I have a bearish bias, not that the coin sucks. The bias is such that I cannot objectively chart it. Yeah. Does that explain it enough? I think it should. Let's be fucking honest, I'm fucking salty. I missed out because I bought that fucker at 2 Satoshi and I was fully out by the time it hit 300. So yeah, that's why I have a bearish bias, like, right? So I just wanted to fucking die because I missed out. And that's how the mind works, you know. So this looks good. This looks like it's a nice entry even right now. Like I could fucking go and buy this right the fuck now, yeah. Let's write it down, in fact. Can I write it down? Yeah, this is nice. Do I have a pen? So I'm on a fucking computer, why don't you tell me? Notepad. Buy MDA after stream if you're not dead. Alright, so this looks good. Metal. Same shit. Looks exactly the fucking same. Maybe even like this. Yeah, I like this. So this is a nice straight line. I could be more precise, but fuck it. On horizontal resistance right here, look. Like this zone over here. So this is gonna probably look like shit. Something like there and then go up. And next stop over here. What the fuck's MDA? I don't know. Do I care? No. Moeda loyalty points. Oh god, what is this sign? Am I buying some feminist coin or something? Empowering global change one person at a time. Oh god, am I like buying some Brazilian tranny coin? I shouldn't even have checked. Okay, cooperative banking system powered by blockchain. Remittance lending thing. Okay. It's a Brazilian remittance coin. This guy looks Brazilian. So they say they're Brazilian or something, but I only see one Brazilian person. What? Alright, so I'm buying Brazilian tranny remittance coin or something after the stream. Nice. So substratum, shit, daily. Look at this fucking cloud support. I mean, it's forming just now, but well, it was rather. This looks like it's, how much is it? So this is like 8x from the bottom already. God knows where it stops. I don't like getting into coins with such extended trends, but you never know, you know. Like if I don't catch it over here or over here, I usually avoid it. I hate being late. So it looks bullish. I can't say anything bearish about this chart, but I wouldn't buy it just because I hate buying someone's 10x when I see it on the chart. Like it might have a hidden 10x from ICO bonuses and shit, but EOS, holy shit, this just keeps going. But if I see it, I don't like seeing it and I just avoid it. It might be a mistake, but it's personal preference as well. Thank you for doing the stream, you're welcome, use the ref link. Did that say fiat pegged on the Moeda site? Nah. Fiat pegged. Oh shit. Oh god. This doesn't look too pegged to me. Let's go to What's that web? Fuck, I can't remember. Bed screener. Alright, so bed screener. MDA USD. Holy shit, this is pegged as fuck, isn't it? Can I like 2 months? No, it's not. It's like, or is it? Coin. 6 months? No. Like, would you consider this pegged to something? I think it's pegged to illusions, maybe. I don't know. Yeah. Undecided right now, but it looks good against Bitcoin. Where's that thing? Yeah, fucking EOS is bullish as fuck. This looks like flag, kinda. Where's my channel? Where's my channel? And this just keeps going. It looks like this. Yeah, it looks bullish. I mean, if you don't mind buying someone's 7x, go ahead and buy it. But for the holders, I see no weakness right now. Keep holding. This is status, I think. Very nice cloud entry. Even here on the re-entry on the cloud touch. A fake out here, of course. Yeah, so this is Bitfinex showing their muscle, I guess. I wouldn't buy it here. Like, I wouldn't buy a pump like this ever. This stop here. This is just so overextended. It might keep going, but it needs to retrace like 50% or something from this run. So something like this, right? Ethereum Classic is a fucking mess. Yes. Let's do it. You can see on below the X. Pouring another whiskey. Fuck, I forgot alcohol. Jesus Christ. Let me get me a glass and pour me some rum. Yeah. Alright. I mean, if you're drinking, it means that I'm not drinking alone. So, I'm not an alcoholic. So, this is struggling to say it nicely, and it looks like this shit over here looks like this shit over here, right? It's the same kind of mess, you know. I can't put my finger on it, but it looks the same to me. It's like a weird accumulation fractal. Yeah, I got decent drum. I'm not drunk in shit. I've got Diplomatico right now. It's alright. So MTH, I have no idea what MTH is. But it had a nice cloud entry as well. Let's go to 6 hours. So this to me looks like one of those cloud entry, right? And cloud touch re-entry. We had a bunch of them, like this one, right? And over here as well. And over here as well. So yeah, over here as well. Kind of similar stages. Just pick your horses. Yeah. So this is very nice one as well. Faked out twice. Nice entry on the daily now. So this looks like there's a trend line, I think, hidden somewhere. Maybe, kinda, I don't know, I don't like it. Maybe a pitchfork. Yeah, maybe. Nope. Yeah, this looks decent. Better that, yeah, so, shit. This one. So, got a trend going on here. With the cloud re-entry once on a single dump. A lot of resistance here, but it looks like it's gonna break eventually. A lot of volatility going on, not my kinda chart, as you know by now, but bullish until proven otherwise. How do you play cloud touches? Tight stop on penetration or wait until it closes above. I don't use stops per se, so when I enter something, I put on alerts and I watch it, or rather I don't watch it until an alert is triggered, you know. So Zcash on Binance looks interesting. It looks just like all the other coins in a way. No trend line here, but it looks like it broke the cloud and re-entry, right? So that's on the 6 hours. So if we go and take Zeke, if you ignore all this history, on the 6 hours it looks like decent entry. And there's a lot of overhead resistance over here. There's been a lot of volume in the zone, so we're just gonna ram our heads into this for a while, I think. We'll see. BNT, that's Bancor. Looks good. Like this. So again, since the Binance listing, one fake out, and now a nice entry, cloud support retest. BNT. This is way below ICO. So this is like a channel TA, okay? So it likes moving in channels, so it's in this one now. And these are the ICO prices. So this is the ICO price, and we fucking stopped like I don't know, minus 87 or something percent from ICO. That's funky. ASD looks good. Looks bullish. Not much resistance here. Maybe this one. So trending up until proven otherwise. Dash looks like Zeke. Massive pump. I don't know why. Look at this volume. I mean, if nothing else, this tells you that the volume on Binance is faked to shit. This coin was pulling like stupidly tiny volume. So is there someone in this room who would say um, that this volume looks natural. OWAX was pumped by Wolong. Wolong doesn't pump shit. Wolong, this new guy is absolutely fake. It's not the original guy. So I don't really think he has a lot of power. Maybe they activated bots at that point. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, it just turned on and off indiscriminately. They just don't care if it's visible. ICN looks good. Looks very nice. Oh shit! Oh god, this is nice. This looks like it wants to pop. Yeah. And it's definitely got a market from fundamental standpoint. Let's look at ICN elsewhere with the longer history. Oh man, this looks like it's gonna fucking pop. So it's add support / resistance right now. So support here, resistance here. It looks ready to pop. It'll just go thwomp to here and one go. Buy ICN after stream if you're not dead. And this is like liquid resistance. This is probably not gonna last long. Is it cracking? Oh shit. Alright. Shit. So much history here. So look. Wong. There we go. And this is the next resistance. And this one as well. Yeah. This is a nice level. This is weird. This is like Wyckoff distribution over here. So it looks good. Looks like it over here. So that's like how much? 30%? 50. Nice. Bitcoin Gold looks like shit. It's trending down. Cloud resistance. EVX looks poppin'. Looks good. This looks good. Resistance over here, right? So we closed inside it. We'll see what happens next. But it looks like our favorite cloud breakout, cloud touch re-entry, right? So look good. REQ cloud fake out. retested his support, and then just fucking went bad shit. Do you know what ICN is? It should be economy. It's like you can buy into investment funds based on smart contracts and shit. So essentially, it's like investing in a fund on the blockchain or whatever the fuck. Vibrate. This is a weird one. Inside the daily cloud. I would say this looks nice despite breaking below this cloud. It's very thin because it made a huge move in one go. But can't really draw a trend line here, but maybe as a horizontal instead. Yeah. So haven't closed above on the daily. If we close above, let's say 3,900, that's breakout. OMG, if you haven't already, yes I have, scroll back. So TRX, cloud entry, cloud re-entry, bullish since, very nice. Trending up, not much to say. They've got a bunch of events coming up as far as I know. So it's be ready to sell on those news and such. Power looks good. Looks good. Copied the cloud as support for a while. This is where I got in, right below 6,000, and I'm riding it since. It looks good. It's got excellent fundamentals. It's trying to break this all-time high, so we'll see how that goes. It might wick around this area, right? So our expectations right now, what are they? How do you play this? And the answer is you wait. Well, I wait. It might go like thwomp and meander and even go a bit lower, but it might do this, right? So it's bullish until proven otherwise. That's what I say. We'll see. It's solid. I'm waiting right now. Arc. Again, shorter history here, but on the 6-hour cloud looks good. So IRK. So this is daily again, and on the daily we are inside the cloud. Clouds finally turned green. Cloud wasn't too helpful on the daily, right? And not yet. It's kind of young, this market. but on the 6 hours it's been solid. So this was nice, and this was nice entry, cloud re-entry, fake out unfortunately to the downside, fake out, breakout, and N ever since. Alright, so this is like the cloud is acting support. Looks alright, I guess. Where did you come from? From my mom's vagina. XRP is bullish until proven otherwise, unfortunately. I mean, we saw this a few times. I don't like it, but it is as it is. It's a piece of shit, and it shouldn't be up here, but you know, people like money. So mod, another fast mover. Again, a massive move, which we had a chart like this, I think, which did a pump like this a while ago, like a day or something ago, and we were waiting for this retrace. And what you're kind of looking for is like where the fuck do I place this? See, that's the problem. Do you place it here or here or here? Fuck it. You want the retrace, but it's problem finding where the support is when you've made a new all-time high. What you would like is preferably setting some bids on the previous all-time high as a support test. This is what I would do if you're still bullish on the coin and think that it'll keep going up, right? So E and J, cloud breakout. Always set bets on the cloud is what Josh would tell you. Josh being Carpe Noctum. Too young for the daily cloud. Yet again, looks bullish until proven otherwise. Pitchfork. Magnet. Maybe over here. Like this. I don't know, maybe. Kinda young. Hard to say so far. Ven, isn't this the scam coin? No, it's not. Looks extremely strong right now. I mean, it looks like it likes to do this. I mean, turn off magnet. So spike and a spike. And a spike. And then let's make it pink. Consolidation. And short consolidation. And something like this. I don't know, maybe. This is what it looks like to me. Komodo, I need longer history. Komodo. So I'll be honest, I thought this is the buy zone and I was buying here and I got faked out over here because I saw a breakdown, a throwback. We failed the test, we got back down again, so I got faked out, and right now it broke above this diagonal resistance, made support here. So if we go lower, it looks like a flag. Okay, so this looks like a flag, and if we break this diagonal, it's gonna do from the bottom, and this is how you measure it. So you want like 140,000 Satoshi somewhere in this area. That's what you want. Are these sessions on a regular basis? No. I only do them when I am in the time and the mood. Can you have a look at KNC? I already have. Please search back through the video. What about 10x? If it's on Binance, I'll do it. RCN. Is this Repio or something? Yeah. Bullish. And where is it? Elsewhere. Bittrex. New as well. 8 December, so same listing time essentially. Looks bullish. Magnet. Maybe it's deeper. I don't really like this one. Even steeper. I don't like it. Yeah. Looks good. Flagging. Never touch this cloud. It likes these flags. Look how the previous all-time high was support here. So it's like it's building a nice trend slowly. Is Binance offline? Yes, I think it was, but it should be live again. Yeah, it's live again. Nulls. Another fucking spike on weird volume. So again, pump, consolidation. RDN, it's Raiden, trending up nicely. trend line. Like this maybe. Maybe even a channel. Yeah, I like the channel more. So this previous high is a support now. This is a resistance. So this is gonna be the next one. But it looks bullish overall. Monero, I'm bullish on Monero. Looks the fucking same as half the other coins on Binance, like Cloud, Breakout, and Reentry. How do you get the clouds? It's called Ichimoku Cloud, and you can use ichimokutrader.com to learn the basics. That's ichimokutrader.com. It's all free. Resistance here. So cloud breakout, retest the support, and officially going up. This is my coin. I made this. I own this market. All of it is mine. And that's why it's trending up. I'm making it go up. Again, bullish. Not much to say. Looks nice on the entry. I missed it, and looks good. Basic attention token trending up, cloud breakout in 6 hours, and same fucking setups on these coins. Let's go and see 2x from ICO soon, and this breakout from this downtrend was the entry on this chart. Does it coincide? So that's 1600 over here, and guess what, it coincides with this one. This is the entry. We could even draw it here, I think. So something like this, essentially. This was the entry, and it, I just made this up. It coincides because these things often synergize. So again, 100 people watching this live. Thank you so much for being here. Please like and share the vid. If you enjoy it, I'll let your friends know that I exist, or maybe don't because you're ashamed that I exist. It's up to you. Use the ref link if you're not on Binance yet. Use the tip jar if you've got too much money. How long have you been learning work like this with graphs? It's a never-ending process of learning. It's like forever. You just keep exploring new shit all the time. So if you think that you will master something, I have bad news for you. Um, it just turned it up, not much to say. I guess we can try pitchfork again. I ignore this wick because fuck it. So median line resistance and this trend line support, so looks good. I'll keep this pitchfork on there. But yeah, block mason looks good. ARN, I have no idea what this is, but it looks very good. Looks like an entry right now. Even doesn't block mason as well? Yeah, it kind of does. It did a nice retrace. It's sitting on this level of support, so it looks good. Looks good. Look into BC UT and look into ARN. Shit. So another try at this resistance, which failed. Maybe we'll see. But this looks like a decent retrace to buy into, I think. So yeah, looks good. Well, GVT, I don't know what this is. The trend line over here, or is there? No, it sucks. Beat the all-time high by a tiny bit, but responded to it with a lot of dumping here. So a lot of volume on these two responses to the new all-time high. That's curious. Ethereum wallet address isn't loading on Binance for some reason. Have you tried turning it off and on again? What? I like this. CDT. I have no idea what this is, but it's trending up, so what else do you want? It took a lot of time here above the cloud, so a couple of nice entries here if you were watching it, and it's only like 3x. This is not too bad. This also looks good. It looks like it's not that far from the bottom. 3x, which is decent. So this was clear resistance, broken through today, very bullish. So let's look like for 50% or something from so what you want is like 4,800. You want to try and set bids over there. They could fill like tomorrow or tonight, so good entry on the potential retrace. Looks very nice as an entry even right now. So look into GXS. Yes, I'm taking notes for myself. So cloud breakout very quickly after the listing, if you notice, and cloud support retest, and it rebounded from it very aggressively. Right now it looks like it's recovering from this huge move. QSP, cloud breakout entry, and off we go. So doing very nicely, trending up, not much to say. This dump got gobbled up very easily. BitShares is trending up. BTS. Let's go to, let's say, Poloniex. Turn on cloud. Very nice entry over here. Look how nicely they acted. Resistance, then it popped off. That's like 2.5x from there. XZC. Got these. Yeah, this is not too great, is it? So daily hasn't caught up yet at all. And this is different. This is very different. So I would stick with this chart. Cloud is fucked here from these entry candles. So ignore the XZC chart on Binance and trade it on Bittrex. Looks like it's reloading. Lisk. Binance says cloud re-entry right now. This horizontal support over here. Probably longer history would help us more. Lisk. Yeah. That's a mess. That's a lot of trying for nothing. It just going sideways in this massive range so far. And there's a lot of trading opportunities here. This is like 2x. So this is weird. I'll be honest, I can't chart this properly. It looks to me like buy zone, sell zone type of shit, but it's got it's an actual coin with actual development, so I don't understand why it's ranging in such a huge range. It's TNT, that's Tiarion or whatever the name is. Cloud entry, and off we go. Not much to say. A lot of volatility these past few days. That's not too confidence inducing for me, but I guess I have to deal with it. Fuel is cloud entry, and you were in the minus for a while here if you entered this cloud entry. So that's a solid gain since here. Mana. This is one chart I cannot chart at all. BCD, I have no idea what it is, but it's not doing well. Cloud resistance all the way down, wouldn't enter. DGD, longer history here. Kinda messy from the wicks. There's gonna be a bunch of resistance here. And a bunch over here. So we'll see. I hear this is solizable. I don't know personally, no idea. Can't really chart it using cloud, so wouldn't use something different for it. ADX. This just started trending up ever since it hit Binance. Is it somewhere else as well? Maybe something older? Yeah. So this is like the Binance ad on 2911. Look, a dump, trending up since. So I would call this like, this looks to me like Komodo. Can you see it? Diagonal. With this kind of support going on this fake out to the downside. So this looks like it's following Komodo in a way. Interesting. ADA having no right being this high, but it's still trending up. No sign of weakness right now. Wouldn't be buying, but would be holding. PPT, what the fuck is this? This is like Populous or something? PPT. Okay. It's just trending up. I don't know how high it is compared to its ICO or something. What's the most basic chart movement someone should know? Up and down. I don't know what kind of question that is. Okay, let me answer that. In fact, I've got a good one for you. Wake off. this kind of shit. Look, burn this into your brain. Burn this into your brain. This kind of movement on the chart. It's even here if you look, like we've got this let's use the brush. See, and break out from the horizontal, like this is not a good one. It's not detailed enough. Yeah, like this. So this is the movement over here. This is it. Then a breakout, a retest, and on we go. So wick off. That's WYCKOFF. Stellar going up with Ripple. Not much to say. CND. Trending up. Trending up. Making new highs. So let's get Lend. Made a huge move, now consolidating. And we could probably consider this something like nice. This sucks, I don't like it. There's not really a trend line here, but you probably know what I mean. This probably went way out of hand, this one wick, so looks like a flag to me. Wabi. Yeah, I don't know. Trending up, not much to say. Maybe a pitchfork. Or maybe not. Maybe differently. Like this. Yeah, I like it. So this held. TNB trending up, huge blow off 2 days ago. Can you do ETN? I'm doing Binance. Waves. You know, I was looking for this fractal to play out. Now we look like we are over here. So it looks alright. Looks good. Looks good. So next expectation is to break above this yellow fractal and another consolidation slightly above it. Yeah. Like this. So we'll see. Do you use Binance charts on TradingView? Yeah, I've been doing so for 2 hours now, so I guess yes. Have you done ICX? I don't know. I don't remember anymore. I don't know who I am. Who are you people? Why are you here? I'm fucking tired, man. Trending up, huge fucking pump going on. I don't even know. There's your fucking ICX. It's going up. There's a trend line over here. This is a lot of empty space, so I wouldn't call it an ascending triangle pattern, but nevertheless, it's trending up after a nice drawdown. This is too young for me for the chart really, but it looks like it's going up. What is the name Ambroid referring to? It's artificial jade. OST, very young, but with it enter cloud, looks good. Elf, can't chart this portfolio. Elf, only on Binance, eh? Huh. Very young, but it's breaking out. After a short resistance here, it's breaking out, so looks like it's going up, but too young to say for me. Aeon, fucking hell, these markets are young. It's just going up, but I mean, what do you want to hear? Looks solid. Maybe a pitchfork, who knows how long it'll hold. It's fucking 1 hour chart, so doesn't mean too much. Fuck, like this. These are getting younger and younger. This was the Binance ICO. I can't even chart these anymore, I'm sorry. And that's it. I think that's it. Yep, we're done. Let's keep this on while I'm trying to finish. So after 2 hours you realize you've done 0.5% of the altcoin market. Yeah, fucking hell, I know, right? Can you look at ICX? Where were you 2 minutes ago? Thank you everyone for watching. Share the video, subscribe and like and yada yada. Use the ref link if you want to buy some shit on Binance. There's a couple of buys that I've noticed. myself in these 2 hours. There's an Ethereum tip jar, so you can tip me any ERC20 token there. I've got 6969 fuck tokens there, so I'm very thankful for that. um, Good job, cunt. Good night. Yeah, good night, cunt. Alright, guys. I'll see you again. I don't know when. I'm busy as fuck, so when I find a free evening or something, I'll try to do more charting. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good night. Thank you, and see you sometime in the future. Bye.